completed their rounds of flood-devastated areas to provide medical needs of affected residents. Health Secretary Enrique Ona advised them to take extra precautions against waterborne diseases. This report.
Health Secretary Enrique Ona headed the relief operations in Marikina City and in the province of Rizal, two of the areas affected by the intense flooding in the country. Ona and the officials of the department donated medicines and portalets that could be used by the evacuees. More doctors were also added. The Secretary is concerned about the diseases that might surface after the calamity, in which crowded evacuation centers are prone to.
Kung meron ng may sakit na katulad ng flu or magkaroon na ng mga lagnat, sana kung pwede nating hindi makahawa-hawa, no? Kasi yun ang very common na nangyayari sa evacuation centers. Yun ding mga disposal ng ating mga dumi, very important din yun, at of course, yung pag-iinom ng mga tubig, no? So, dapat sigurong bigyan natin ng attention yung sources ng inyong mga tubig, kaya naman meron kaming Orisol na dala para din maibigay na prevention sa contaminated water.
Though the evacuees in H. Bautista Elementary School reached 3,000, necessities are still sufficient, with the department's relief operations adding to the betterment of the nation.
Sa ngayon, equal distribution of blessings sa ating evacuees dahil meron sila bawat pamilya, staff po.
The local government did not yet allow the evacuees to return to their homes because the water at the Marikina River is still at a high level. Only men who wanted to clean their residences were given the permission to leave the evacuation center.
Dahil hindi pa natin alam makabalik ang mga tao dahil last year, kung natatandaan nyo, 3 beses tumaas ang water sa alert level number 4. Kaya in 3 days, gano'n ang nangyari sa kanila. Kaya mas inalagaan natin sila para hindi na maulit yung nangyari ng isang taon.
For People's Television, Ara Perez.